While the stock market may be experiencing some turbulence, that doesn't mean all investment opportunities are dried up. There are several great ways to invest your money in a recession. Being intelligent and strategic about where you put your money can help protect it from potential loss and even grow your wealth. So don't be scared to invest. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. In this video, we will discuss don't be scared, best ways to invest in recession. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. So this video is for you whether you're just starting out or investing for years. First, invest in stocks and shares. Many people view recessions as a time to hunker down and save money. However, several opportunities can be found during economic downturns. For those with a stomach for it, investing in stocks and shares can be a great way to take advantage of low prices and generate healthy returns when the market eventually recovers. Of course, picking individual stocks is fraught with risk, so it's essential to approach any investment cautiously. For those who would instead leave it to the expert, investing in a mutual or exchange-traded fund can also be a smart move during a recession. These funds tend to be more diversified, which means they are less likely to experience the same steep losses as individual stocks. Ultimately, there is no guaranteed strategy for making money during a recession. However, investing in stocks and shares can be a lucrative way to weather the storm for those willing to take on some additional risk. Second, invest in commodities such as gold and oil. One option is to invest in commodities such as gold and oil. These items hold their value well, even when the stock market is struggling. Gold is an excellent investment during a recession, as it is a haven asset. Investors are more likely to buy gold when the economy is struggling, driving the price. Oil is another commodity that can be a good investment during a recession. This is because many industries use oil, so there is always demand for it. Additionally, oil prices usually go up during a recession as people cut back on their spending and travel less. The third best way to invest in a recession is to invest in property. Property values may take a hit during an economic downturn but usually rebound eventually. This makes property a relatively safe investment during tough times. Additionally, rental properties can provide a steady source of income during a recession. People who lose their jobs or take pay cuts may be forced to downsize to smaller homes or apartments. This increased demand for rental units can help offset any property value decline. Finally, many experts believe that the current recession will increase the number of foreclosures. This presents an opportunity for investors to buy distressed properties at bargain prices. By carefully analyzing the market and choosing suitable properties, investors can profit from a recession while helping to stabilize local housing markets. Fourth, invest in art. Many experts believe that now is a great time to invest in art. Here are some reasons why. Number 1, the art market is relatively stable. Unlike stocks and other investments, the value of art doesn't fluctuate very much. This makes it a much safer investment during times of economic instability. Number 2, art always has value. No matter what happens in the economy, art will always be worth something. This makes it an excellent long-term investment. Finally, you can enjoy your investment. Unlike stocks or bonds, you can enjoy your investment in an art by hanging it on your walls or displaying it in your home. This makes investing in art a much more personal experience. So if you're looking for a safe and enjoyable way to invest during these uncertain times, consider supporting art. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Fifth, invest in stable companies with a long history of profitability. These companies tend to weather economic downturns better than others, often offering investors a chance to buy shares at a discount. Additionally, these companies usually have strong balance sheets and ample cash reserves, which can help them survive tough times. So if you're looking for ways to invest in a recession, consider investing in stable companies with a long history of profitability. You may not get rich quickly, but you'll likely find it easier to hold on to your gains during tough economic times. Sixth, invest in startups. Investing in startups can be a great way to weather a recession. While established companies may tighten their belts during tough economic times, startups are often more agile and better able to adapt to changing market conditions. Additionally, startups often have more room to grow, providing investors with a potential for higher returns. Of course, investing in startups comes with its risks. Many startups fail, and even those that succeed can be highly volatile. However, for those willing to take a bit of extra trouble, investing in startups can be a great way to boost your portfolio during a recession. The seventh best way to invest in a recession is to diversify your portfolio. Investing in a mix of assets can protect you from the effects of market volatility and minimize your risk exposure. In particular, investing in defensive assets such as cash and government bonds can be wise during a recession. As the saying goes, diversify your eggs in different baskets. 8. Invest in yourself by taking courses and learning new skills. This can be done by taking courses and learning new skills. By doing this, you will be able to offer your services to businesses that are struggling and in need of help. Additionally, you will be able to position yourself as an expert in your field, making you more attractive to potential employers. So if you're looking for ways to invest during a recession, remember that investing in yourself is always a good idea. Finally, invest in your future by saving money and planning for the long term. The saying goes, a penny saved is a penny earned. This adage is as true today as it ever was. In fact, during times of economic recession, it becomes even more important to save money and invest for the future. While many ways to invest money, some of the best ways to support during a recession are to focus on long-term goals and diversify your investments. One of the best ways to invest during a recession is to focus on long-term goals. This means setting aside money each month to grow your savings. It also means investing in assets that will appreciate over time, such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Focusing on long-term goals ensure that your money will continue to grow even when the economy is struggling. It is important to remember that recessions are a natural part of the economic cycle. By keeping a cool head and researching, you can weather these tough times and come ahead when the economy rebounds. Although it can be difficult to watch our investments shrink in value, it is important not to panic and sell at the bottom of the market. This may be the best time to invest in good quality stocks or mutual funds. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.